Open the box. Remove the main unit and accessories. Remove the packaging bags. Install the charging dock assembly. Install the handle. Open the lid of the water tank. Add water. Adjust the handle's angle. Power switch button. Cleaning mode toggle button. Self-clean button. Cleaning performance demonstration. Vacuuming performance demonstration. Charging the machine. Place the machine on the charging dock. The machine will start charging automatically. Press the self-cleaning button on the handle. The roller brush begins to automatically clean and dry itself. After drying is complete, the machine continues to charge automatically. Demonstrate how to remove the handle. Cleaning the machine. Remove the sewage tank. Remove the filter and filter cotton from the sewage tank. Pull out the tank lid. Dump the dirty water. Use the brush to clean the debris on the sewage tank lid. Attach the lid to the sewage tank. Clean the debris from the filter and filter cotton with the brush. Install the filter cotton and filter. Reinstall the sewage tank. Clean the roller brush. Press the release button on the left side of the water tank with your thumb and index finger to remove the roller brush assembly. Use the brush to clean the debris on the roller brush. Replace the roller brush. Pull out the button assembly at one end of the roller brush. Install it on the new roller brush.